Okay, we got this guy, Yehuda Ferris of Chabad of the East Bay, who been in part of Chabad Lubavitch, been in Berkeley 45 years. So here's a settlement agreement where he signs his signature on 9/23/2022. This was about a year and a half before the eviction moratorium and grave dangers from the COVID virus were still in effect in September of 2022. So here is that's on page 12. This is page 1 of Agreement for Trust Distribution and a Release of Claims. So this is what he's trying to do here. First, he transferred cancer patient's property out of cancer patient's trust for $82,000, but the problem was the property was worth $1 million. The whole house was worth $2 million. So he went and told the recorder's office that he was transferring it for no consideration. In fact, this agreement shows that he transferred it for $82,700. But aside from that, it was in a previous one. Then here's this, where he's trying to evict an elderly brother of a late cancer patient who he mysteriously became the trustee of his trust, and now he wants to steal the inheritance money from the brother of the cancer patient after his brother died, after he took care of him. Not only does he want to steal the inheritance, he wants to evict him in the middle of the pandemic. Read on. Contingent duty of trust to pay and share attorney's costs incurred with evicting the man's brother. The parties hereby acknowledge that the brother of Mrs. Ziprin and the trust beneficiary has occupied the property rent-free since his brother passed. Yeah, because it was ordered by the state and the county that everybody has to shelter in place. Who wasn't ordered to shelter in place? The bugs and the bees? They were allowed, but humans had to shelter in place. Okay? Party hereby agrees that Mr. Ferris, Rabbi Yehuda Ferris of Chabad of the East Bay, a Hasidic Jew from Chabad Lubavitch, agree that Mr. Ferris of the trust shall file with the court and pursue to its conclusion a second amended petition, something in which is set forth an agreement. It says that they will split the cost of evicting him. Look at it, a share equaling the attorney's fees with evicting the brother from the property, and applied his beneficial share of the trust to his own eviction from the property. What a bunch of dogs. And the daughters never saw their own father in 10 years, 6 years before he died of cancer. But the brother took care of them faithfully. This is disgusting.